Gurvadi gun. It is also called as Sarir gun. They are 20 in number as per Ashtanghrade. Guru Manda Himasnigdha Slakshana Sandra Mrudusthira Gunas Sukshma Vishada Vishantihisha Viparyeya. They are Guru, Lagu, Manda, Tikshana, Hima, Ushana, Snigdha, Ruksha, Slakshana, Khara, Sandra, Drava, Mridu, Kathin, Sthira, Chala, Suksma, Sthula, Vishada, Pichila. Guru Gun. Dravyasya Bruhane Karmani Sakti Guru. It is the cause of Brihan Karma. Example: Mas, Kshira and Khajura. Laghu Gun. Langhane Laghu. It is the cause of Langhan Karma. Example: Mudga, Lajja and Pipli. Mandagun. Samane Manda. It causes saman kriya and dullness in the body. It works slowly. Example: Dadhi, Guduchi, Kutuj. Tikshana Gun. Shodhane Tikshana. It is cause Sodhan Karma and weakness in the body. Example: Sunthi, Marich and Pipli. Sit or Him Gun. Stambhane Hima. It is the cause of Stambhan Karma. Example: Chandan, Ushira. Ushana Gun. Svedane Ushana. It is the cause of Svedan Karma. Example: Chitrak, Trikatu. Slakshana Gun. Ropane Slakshana. It is the cause of Ropan Karma and smoothness in the body. Example: Mukta, Pravala. Khar Gun. Lekhane Khara. It is the cause of Lekhan Karma and roughness in the body. Example: Karanjfal and Trifala. Sandra Gun. Prasadane Sandra. It causes Prasadan Karma and solidity in the body. Example: Laddu, Cheesa. Dravagun. Vilodane Drava. It cause of Vilodan Karma and liquidity in the body. Example: Jhala, Dugdha and Tela. Mrudugun. Slathane Mrudu. It is the cause of Slathan Karma and softness in the body. Example: Ghrita, Tela, Dugdha. Kathin Gun. Dradhane Kathina. It is the cause of Dradhan Karma and hardness in the body. Example: Pravala, Mukta, Sankha. Sthira Gun. Dharane Sthira. It is the cause of Dharan Karma and stability in the body. Example: Bala, Chatifala and Asvagandha. Chala Gun. Prerane Chala. It is the cause of Preran Karma and mobility in the body. Example: Haritaki and Swarnapatri. Sukshma Gun. Vivarane Sukshma. It is cause of Vivaran Karma and minuteness in the body. Example: Madhya and Lavana. Sthula Gun. Samvarane Sthula. It is the cause of Samvaran Karma and bulkiness in the body. Example: Dadhi and sweets. Vishad Gun. Kshalane Vishada. It is the cause of Kshalan Karma and clearness in the body. Example: Madhya, Kshara and Nimbu. Pichila Gun. Lepane Pichila iti. It is the cause of Lepan Karma and slimness in the body. Example: Kshira, Guda and Ikshurasha.